Hello everyone, it's Rocco from Rocco Reviews, and welcome to another video on Project Gray Ghost. Today, I'm going to be swapping in the 6.1-inch touchscreen display for a 7-inch display that my uncle gave me for free. So, I'm going to swap it in and see if it works. I'll put you on time-lapse, and let's get started. Why? So with all that being said, let's go ahead and take it out for a drive. Now this touchscreen unit should unclip out of the dashboard. Should. That's the operative word anyways. Why it wouldn't come out. Vents, you have to give it a tug, pops right out. And there's two more 10mm up here, and then it should come out.
That's concerning. Should be that easy to get out. Okay then. Now don't worry about the screws being a different length, they're the same size. Put them together.
Now it's out. Now what I just remember to do, if you have a gas car, unplug the 12-volt battery. If you have a hybrid, there is a fuse under the hood you'll want to take out. Essentially puts the car into a transport mode and some of the stuff won't work. You can also disconnect the negative 12-volt in the back, but on a hybrid, not the smartest idea. Now I have some connections to pull. So, I'd obviously push the override switch, make sure it's in neutral. And put it into sport mode. So as far down as possible. Then you can pull the radio out. It's out. So let's compare the new part to the old part. Here's the old, here's the new. Now the new, he said, because he has a 2014.5 Hybrid LE, that the volume didn't work. Everything else worked great. This is pulled out of a 2014, not sure if it was a 14.5, but I'm pretty sure it was, XLE V6. Well, I have an XLE Hybrid, so there's a chance that this might work. And I also just unplugged this harness from the back. There's something that was plugged into here. I'll see if I'll need this, but I doubt I will. I'm just gonna plug and play connections and see if it works. I will swap the climate controls after I find out if this works, not before. Be a waste of time. So let's get to it. Okay, let's put it in and find out what happens. Oh, it's loading. It's loading something. Okay. Kinda cool. I thought it was broken at first. It's not. So I made it somewhere. I like the way this is going. Okay. That's a good sign. Said volume didn't work, but everything else did. So, let's see. And volume, not doing anything yet. See if I can go home. Apps. Compatible phone. Okay. Don't tell me again. I know. Setup. Home's. Nope. Display. Yeah, let's bring the brightness up a little. Let's bring it up a lot. Because I can't see. Oh. Wonder why. Day mode. It's interesting. FM? Oh, look at my lights. There you go. Oh, doing something. FM. Okay. And yep. Free CD? Nope. I wonder why. I hear something. Try the wheel controls. Nope. Oh, that did something. It did a thing. That's interesting. Bluetooth module not connected. So I wonder if that's that wire in the back that can't get plugged in. Oh, audio off. Oh, it's doing something. Wait, audio on. Setup. Let's see. Vehicle. It's grayed out. Anything in here? Nope. Oh, it's swipe. Okay, let's see. Beep. So suppose the beep is not beeping. Color theme? Do they work? They do? I should just turn the car on real quick. So there's a sound button saying it's on mute, which it is, but the volume knob doesn't work. Now everything else works, I think. Nope. Of course that's it works. No sound. Oh, did something. So it works. The whole thing works, but the audio. Which makes me wonder if this has anything to do with it. I mean, these cars, I don't think it has a connection already built in for this. I'm also trying to connect Bluetooth and see if that works. But I wonder if this harness will help me with anything. Probably not, because I don't think there's any connection on the car in the other direction. I'm going to see if there's any way I can connect that connector in here and get my audio working. Also, the energy monitor did not detect. See, the engine's on. Watch. It doesn't know the battery or anything. And I don't know why. So I'm trying to work on it more. So, did it work? No. Will it ever work? Probably not. Now, one thing I wish that was doable, and I might still try it someday, and I don't think I'll try it with the radio that I have now, though, is swap the screens. So keep, like, of course, the box and everything's connected, but plug the 7-inch screen, or plug the head unit for this into the 7-inch screen, and see if I can get this in a 7-inch form. Maybe it'll be doable. Possibly. I don't quite think so, but it'd be cool if it did work. But this screen does work perfectly. You can hear the beeps and everything and music, so I don't get copyrighted. But yeah, so did it work? No. Why didn't it work? I think it's because I don't have HD radio. That's probably why. But it was cool to see. It was definitely really high res. So I do want to put some sort of doubled in, well, this already is a doubled in screen. I want to put some sort of upgraded screen in here, but I would like it to not be so big. I mean, there are 10-inch ones. I would like if it retained a factory look. So I'm going to definitely do my research on them. I'm going to see what I can find, because I'd like it to look factory in the car, not like this big and it takes up the whole thing, if you know what I mean. So hopefully this video was informative to anybody that was also trying to do the same thing as me. I don't think anyone was. I was doing it for fun, to see if it worked, and if it did work, that's a benefit. That's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one. I don't know what that next video is going to be. Hopefully headlights or spoiler. One of the two is going to get done first. I'll definitely make a video on that. So, hope you enjoyed.